Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another exciting edition of this week's vocabulary. This week, our story is Ranita the Frog Princess. And our vocabulary for this week starts with the word selfish. People who are selfish are concerned mainly with themselves. The boy was too selfish to share his snack with the birds. Think about some things that people do that might seem selfish. Our next word is cranky. If you are cranky, you are irritated easily. The baby was cranky because she needed a nap. Mrs. Lundy gets cranky when kids don't listen to the directions. What are some antonyms for cranky? Next word is commotion. A commotion occurs when there is great noise and activity. When the batter hit a home run in the ninth inning, there was a commotion in the stands. Think about a time when you've heard a commotion or been a part of one. The next word is exasperated. When you are exasperated, you have no patience and are annoyed. He was so exasperated at the way the show ended, he turned off the television. What are some reasons that someone might get exasperated? Next word is specialty. A specialty is something that you do or know very well. The specialty of our favorite restaurant was lasagna. What is a specialty of yours? The last word this week is famished. To be famished is to feel extreme hunger. After our hard work cleaning the beach, we were famished. How are the adjectives famished and hungry alike, and how might they be different? Get all of these words and definitions written in your notebook. Make sure you have them all down, and then you may go get your vocabulary sheet and begin your work on there and creating your word squares. Have fun.